decide to make this chicken stew, is very nice. Yeah, you can do this with low budgets. You must not have plenty money before you eat that thing that you feel like you want to eat. All right. Well, you have seen the ingredients which I use in making this particular one. It might look like the one you know. Yes, but it's not it. Stay tuned. Watch to the end to understand why I say it's not the regular one you normally do at home. Well, if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is Martino Ezugo Kitchen, where we learn how to make any kind of African food with low budgets. You must not have plenty money before you start stressing yourself in making food. All right. You can also see other channels that are making food that you that is watching video, you might not be able to afford those spices they are using. That is why I create this particular channel, so that you can be able to see the power of low budget food and eat healthy and it tastes great. All right. After you put your vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. You do well to add your onion. Fry the onion for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. You add your fresh tomatoes and cook for 10 to 15 minutes to enable the water to dry before you add this your paste tomatoes. Let me tell you this, some people don't know the reason why their stew get burnt. If you add your paste tomato, keep on stirring the stew so that it will not get burnt. If you are frying only fresh tomato, your stew will never get burnt, trust me. But once you add your paste tomatoes, do well to continue stirring 247. You know this I'm using? This spicity. This spicity is to enhance the red color, alright? And to add a little taste. Yes, to add a little taste. But it's optional, alright? It's optional. You might decide not to use it. This is native curry. Native curry. This particular one is rosemary. Yeah, I know some people will be wondering, how am I using rosemary to cook stew? No worry, it's very, very healthy. This is my ginger and garlic mixed together. That's why I tell you earlier, you can eat healthy with small money. Do you see what I'm stirring it? If you watch, the dan is getting burnt. If you add one thing, make sure you stir. You add two things, make sure you stir to avoid getting burnt. Very, very important. If you're watching down the pot, it's already getting burnt. This is my fresh pepper. This is my chicken, well cooked and well spiced. Now, if you watch out, I did not put season cube because I use season cube and salt to cook this chicken. Then after you put your chicken and the chicken stock, test it if you need to adjust your season cube and your salt. Now I add in water after I put my season cube. Now I add salt to adjust the taste. I cover for 3 to 5 minutes. This is the outcome. I do well to stir again. You might choose not to cover it too, because if you cover without paying attention, your stew will get burnt under. Let me know what you think about this. You can also do well to check the description to see other videos that you will find helpful. If you are watching the video to this extent, do well to drop a beautiful comment. and like this video. You can also do well to share with your community. Also subscribe to be getting our video. Thank you for watching.